In Weston, homeowners are reimagining how windows can redefine both the look and feel of their homes. As design and technology evolve, window replacement has become more than a maintenance project. It's an opportunity to enhance natural light, improve energy efficiency, and create a polished aesthetic that complements the town's beautiful architecture. If you're considering replacing your windows, here's a look at the latest design trends that are transforming Weston homes, making them brighter, more efficient, and more visually appealing. Bigger windows, brighter spaces. One of the most noticeable trends in modern window replacement is the move toward larger glass panels and slimmer frames. Weston homeowners are embracing designs that allow in more natural light, blur the line between indoor and outdoor spaces, and showcase the town's scenic surroundings. Picture windows, floor-to-ceiling glass, and expansive sliders are becoming popular in living areas and kitchens. These designs create an open, airy atmosphere and make rooms feel larger. Slimline frames, often in black or bronze, give these windows a sleek, modern look while letting the glass take center stage. For homeowners updating traditional Weston homes, these new designs can still maintain architectural balance, offering a modern upgrade that complements classic charm. Energy efficiency meets modern design. In a town that experiences both cool winters and warm summers, energy efficiency is more than a luxury, it's a necessity. Today's window replacements blend high performance with style, helping Weston homeowners stay comfortable while saving on energy costs. Modern energy-efficient windows feature low-E coatings, argon gas insulation, and multi-pane glass that regulate indoor temperatures. These materials reflect heat in the summer, retain warmth in the winter, and filter out harmful UV rays. Even better, manufacturers are creating these high-performance windows in a range of designs, from contemporary to traditional, so you can enhance your home's efficiency without compromising on aesthetics. Frame finishes that make a statement. Gone are the days of plain white frames. Weston homeowners are now turning windows into style statements. Dark-colored frames, like matte black, espresso, or bronze, are trending for their ability to add contrast and sophistication to any facade. For those who prefer a timeless look, natural wood finishes or wood-clad frames are making a comeback, offering warmth and texture while maintaining durability through weather-resistant exteriors. These finishes can beautifully complement Weston's architectural mix of historic homes and contemporary builds. If you're aiming for a subtle yet distinct transformation, changing your frame finish can instantly refresh your home's curb appeal. Custom shapes and unique designs. Personalization is another big trend shaping window replacement in Weston. Homeowners are opting for custom window shapes, such as arches, circles, or trapezoids, to create architectural interest and accentuate unique features of their homes. Bay and bow windows continue to be favorites for adding dimension and light, while casement windows are valued for their clean lines and easy operation. Combining different window types within the same space, like pairing fixed picture windows with operable side casements, provides both functionality and design flexibility. Customization allows you to design windows that fit your exact style, ensuring your home stands out while maintaining harmony with its surroundings. Smart features and low maintenance. The newest window replacements don't just look great, they work smarter. Smart window technology is making its way into Weston homes, giving homeowners the ability to control light and privacy with the touch of a button. Some models even feature self-tinting glass that adjusts automatically based on sunlight levels. In addition, low-maintenance coatings and durable frame materials like fiberglass and composite are making upkeep easier. These windows resist warping, fading, and corrosion, ensuring they stay beautiful and efficient for years. For busy homeowners, that means less maintenance and more peace of mind. Timeless appeal through professional design. The best window transformations come from designs that respect Weston's character while bringing in modern elegance. Working with local experts ensures your replacements fit seamlessly with your home's architecture, whether you're updating a colonial, a mid-century home, or a modern build. Professionally installed windows also guarantee airtight seals, proper insulation and long-term performance, protecting your investment and comfort. Final thoughts for Weston homeowners: window replacement is no longer just about function, it's about transformation. From expansive glass and bold frames to energy-efficient materials and smart features, today's windows offer endless possibilities for beauty, comfort, and performance. By embracing these modern design trends, you can brighten your home, reduce energy costs, and create a look that reflects your personal style, all while enhancing the timeless elegance that makes Weston homes truly stand out.